Okay, so as you can see here, that's our first screen of our game. Okay, so there are a lot of limitation in App Inventor, like we can't create the physics game over here, but we can implement that type of games in our app. Okay, so let me show you how, and let's see that's the example and demo here. Let's click on the play game button. Okay, and wait some seconds, and it's done. See, it's a very background amazing music, and let's click on play and play. Now you can play this game. Yes, so that's the overall game. Okay, what we have done, we have integrated another platform with MIT App Inventor app, so we can implement the third party platform games in MIT App Inventor. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like this video and share this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.